Somaderm Plus AWE is one of the most effective solutions for discomfort and stress support on the market, and on top of that, it's very easy to use. Today we're going to talk about how to use Somaderm Plus AWE and answer some of the common questions about making it part of your daily routine. AWE works as a companion product to Somaderm. They work synergistically to preserve your youth and alter the way you age. It has a dual approach when it comes to discomfort relief, working from a systematic approach to provide your body soothing support as well as providing relief to targeted areas of the body. For targeted relief, apply 1 to 2 pumps to the affected area, then gently massage into the skin with your fingertips. You can do this as often as you need it daily. Pretty simple, right? Of course, it's not just important to know how to use it, knowing how to make it part of your daily routine is just as crucial. Make sure to use this product consistently on affected areas for lasting results. This will give you the opportunity to really see how it can work for you. The ingredients in Somaderm Plus AWE may help reduce discomfort, providing your body soothing support your mood, promote relaxation, and more. If you exercise regularly, make it part of your pre- and post-workout routine. Its combination of aloe vera, green tea, licorice root, willow bark, and cobaiba work together to provide you with optimal support when you need it most. As you create a routine, it's important to remember that everyone is different. We all have our own unique circumstances, and things will affect us in different ways. That's why Somaderm Plus AWE meets you where you're at and builds you better. Experience fast-acting benefits for long-term relief and get ready to redefine your lifestyle with Somaderm Plus AWE.